Season's greetings, food lovers. Have you ever thought about infusing a bit of Chinese flair into your Christmas feast? Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck, a dish that beautifully blends Chinese culinary traditions with the festive spirit. So, subscribe now and let's unwrap the story behind this unique Christmas delight. Picture this: the warmth of the holiday season, twinkling lights, and a table filled with the comforting aroma of festive dishes. While Christmas may not be a traditional celebration in China, the spirit of togetherness and feasting transcends cultures. So why not infuse a bit of that spirit with a Chinese twist? In our globalized world, traditions intertwine, creating a beautiful tapestry of celebrations. It's not just about where a tradition originates, but how we adapt and blend them, creating something new and exciting. Enter the Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck, a dish that beautifully marries the festive joy of Christmas with the rich culinary tapestry of China. This isn't just about adding a Chinese dish to your holiday spread. It's about creating a culinary masterpiece that honors the essence of celebration itself. So, while Christmas might not have ancient roots in China, the Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck brings a sense of unity, a merging of cultural flavors that makes your holiday table not just a feast for the stomach, but a feast for the soul. Let's take a journey back in time to ancient China, where the roots of our beloved Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck were first planted. Roasted duck itself was a culinary marvel enjoyed by the imperial courts, a symbol of luxury and indulgence. In the annals of Chinese culinary history, roast duck was a dish fit for emperors, showcasing the finest skills of the imperial chefs. But it wasn't until later that this culinary gem made its way from the palaces to the streets, becoming a favorite amongst the common people. As the dish gained popularity, it underwent various transformations. However, it was the Ming Dynasty that truly elevated the roasted duck to an art form. Imagine feasts adorned with succulent duck, captivating not only taste buds, but inspiring poets and writers of the time. Now Peking duck, with its crispy skin and tender meat, served with thin pancakes and hoisin sauce, became the precursor to our Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck. The journey was set, but there was still an evolution waiting to happen. The key player in this transformation? Hoisin sauce, a magical blend of fermented soybeans, garlic, vinegar, and various spices. This sauce, with its sweet and savory notes, became the secret ingredient that turned a classic into an extraordinary culinary experience. The star of our show today is undoubtedly the Hoisin sauce, a symphony of flavors and aromas that transforms a simple roast duck into a culinary masterpiece. But how did this magical glaze come to be? Originally, the classic Peking duck took center stage with its crispy skin, thin pancakes, and a side of hoisin sauce. However, as culinary traditions evolved, so did the desire for a richer, more complex flavor profile. Enter the Hoisin glaze, a carefully crafted blend of fermented soybeans, garlic, vinegar, sugar, and an array of spices. The result? A sweet and savory sauce that not only complements the succulence of the duck, but elevates it to new heights of deliciousness. The glazing process is an art in itself. The hoisin sauce, with its thick consistency, beautifully clings to the duck, creating a glistening, caramelized exterior that promises an explosion of flavors in every bite. The evolution of this glaze mirrors the journey of the Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck, from the imperial courts of ancient China to the modern holiday tables around the world. It's a testament to the adaptability and creativity inherent in the culinary world. During the Ming Dynasty, roasted duck wasn't just a dish. It was a source of inspiration for poets and writers. Imagine verses dedicated to the crispy skin and succulent meat, celebrating the culinary artistry that graced the imperial tables. Poetry, it seems, became the language of love for this delectable dish. These verses weren't just words, they were an ode to the flavors that danced on the palate, a timeless celebration of culinary excellence. Fast forward to the present day, and the tradition lives on. Chefs and food enthusiasts alike continue to infuse the preparation of Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck with a touch of poetic inspiration, keeping the spirit of the Ming Dynasty alive. But the poetry doesn't end there. Did you know that each element of the dish holds significance? From the carefully roasted duck symbolizing prosperity to the Hoisin glaze representing the sweet moments in life, every bite becomes a poetic experience. So, as you savor this festive fusion, remember that you're not just indulging in a culinary delight, but partaking in a poetic tradition that has transcended centuries. In today's diverse culinary landscape, the Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck has transcended its Chinese roots and become a cherished addition to holiday tables around the world. Its sweet and savory flavors have found a place in the hearts and palates of people from different cultures. Whether it's Christmas, New Year's, or any festive occasion, the Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck has become a symbol of unity, a dish that brings people together to celebrate the richness of cultural diversity. Chefs and food enthusiasts globally have embraced the challenge of preparing this culinary masterpiece, adding their own twists while respecting the traditional flavors. It's a testament to the dish's versatility and the ever-evolving nature of culinary traditions. As you incorporate this festive fusion into your holiday celebration, consider the journey it has taken, from the imperial courts of ancient China to the international holiday tables of today. It's a dish that speaks a universal language of joy and indulgence. So, whether you're in Beijing, London, New York, or anywhere else on this diverse planet, let the Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck be a reminder that celebration knows no boundaries. It's a dish that connects us through the joy of good food and shared traditions. And there you have it, food lovers! Hoisin Glazed Roast Duck, a delectable fusion of tradition and festivity. This holiday season, consider adding this Chinese twist to your feast and savor the rich history behind each flavorful bite. Wishing you a joyous and flavorful celebration! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy holidays and happy eating!